Welcome to Capital Quality's webinar on quality feedback. To provide ongoing support for the Capital Quality on-site administrators, the Office of the State Superintendent of Education, in partnership with Hurley & Associates, is implementing a series of community of practice for principals, center directors, and home care providers. This community of practice series is part of an ongoing effort to build capacity and knowledge as it relates to addressing the 10 quality indicators articulated in Capital Quality's Continuous Improvement Plan. This webinar is an edited recording and presentation of the community of practice conducted on Friday, July 21st and Saturday, July 22nd of 2017. This community of practice provided participants with a series of research-based practices and activities as it relates to increasing quality feedback as defined by the class and young children. It also afforded participants an opportunity to meet and engage in team and relationship building activities with fellow Capital Quality participants and quality facilitators. This is a webinar as part of a series of webinars for the Capital Quality community designed to build the skills and competency level of providers participating in Capital Quality. This month's session will provide Capital Quality updates and an overview of quality feedback as defined by the class. Additionally, it will provide an overview of upcoming professional development opportunities identified by Kids Comprehensive. Lastly, the community of practice includes information on upcoming community of practices and next steps for the Capital Quality community. June's Community of Practice, led by ICF, focused on lesson planning. The session assisted participants in developing high-quality lesson plans aligned with current curricula and DC's Common Core Early Learning Standards. Please watch June's Community of Practice for more information. It is available on the OSCE website. Over the last few months, the Capital Quality community has been working towards points of quality. You have accomplished a lot. Currently, providers are working on reviewing environments and culturally and linguistically responsive practices. Also, participating providers are reviewing curriculum needs and assessing their inclusion strategies. Kudos to everyone who has completed the first 5 elements on the Continuous Quality Improvement Plan. Your assigned quality facilitator will work with you to identify materials for your first incentive. We are pleased to highlight your progress and your commitment to Capital Quality. This is a brief illustration of the 3 domains and 10 dimensions included in the pre-K class tool. Today, we are going to focus on quality feedback, one dimension within the instructional support domain. Think for a moment about quality feedback. What do you think it means? How would you define it as it relates to intentional conversations? According to the class, quality of feedback covers how teachers respond. It measures the quality of feedback and responses that is given to a child. In this dimension, teachers keep children thinking, keep children going, and keep children learning. The teacher's role is to promote learning without children feeling like they are rushed or being pushed. Quality of feedback assesses the degree to which the teacher provides feedback that expands learning and understanding and encourages continued participation. There are several points to remember about quality feedback. Number 1, teachers provide effective feedback by asking follow-up questions and providing information in response to teachers' actions and comments. Point 2, teachers' high-level encouragement increases children's understanding and persistence. And number 3, effective quality of feedback keeps children engaged in learning. The teacher's role is to be 1, an observer, and 2, a careful listener. In doing so, teachers can create or find opportunities where they can add a turn to the interaction, which supports children's learning and engagement. Let's think for a moment on the following question. How can teachers provide quality of feedback or intentional feedback that supports engagement and learning? On a piece of paper, create a chart with 4 columns. The first column should be titled Time of Day. The second column should be titled Conversations that Expand Understanding. The third column should be labeled Ask Children to Explain Their Thinking. And the fourth column should be labeled Encourage Child's Efforts. Think about different times of the day. It could be lunch, snack time, center time, and even arrival time. Take a moment to brainstorm when and how teachers can include feedback and intentional responses to children throughout the school day. Pause the presentation and take a moment to record your thoughts. Restart the presentation once you have completed your chart. Okay, welcome back. What did you come up with? Did you think about center time, maybe dramatic play, where you are having intentional conversations with the child and maybe fueling their interest in a particular topic? As noted in Quality of Feedback, The Highs and Whys, a companion guide developed by Teachstone, high quality of feedback is a valuable source of fuel for encouraging children to engage with thinking and learning. There are many opportunities for teachers to provide feedback in the classroom. For example, a child at the art easel shouts, "Look!" when the color on his paper changes from yellow to green after he strokes the blue paintbrush. Then the teacher responds, "Wow, look at that!" When you ran your brush with the blue paint across the yellow paint, it turned green. The feedback that is provided to the child enhances his understanding of the art experience at that moment. At other times, a teacher might initiate an opportunity for feedback by asking an open-ended question. For example, showing a group of children the cover of a book asking, "What do you think this story might be about?" Then the teacher can intentionally build upon the children's responses, asking them to explain their thinking, asking follow-up questions to dig a little deeper, and providing information throughout their back and forth exchange. Teachers provide fuel in the form of feedback by 1, responding to children with new information, 2, prompting children to think about their actions or statements they have made and engaging in sustained back and forth exchanges to deepen their understanding, and 3, giving specific encouragement to the children they are nurturing. There are several resources available to you to assist you in better understanding quality of feedback. Quality of Feedback, The Highs and Whys, a companion ebook developed by Teachstone, is a great resource. When we're looking at quality of feedback, we're really looking at what children know, understand, and how teachers respond in ways that expand the child's learning, understanding, and persistence. Please ask for a copy from your quality facilitator. Another great resource is from the National Center on Quality Teaching and Learning. Several guides have been developed to aid you in better understanding quality of feedback. There are several tip sheets to help you. 1, providing feedback tips for teachers, and 2, providing feedback tools for supervisors. Please contact your quality facilitator and ask for a copy today. Did we accomplish everything today? Did we help you gain an understanding of the class dimension, quality of feedback? Did we assist you in identifying effective quality of feedback strategies that teachers can use when interacting with their children? And did we help you develop an initial action plan to support teachers in enhancing their skills of providing quality of feedback that supports engagement and learning? Kids Comprehensive, the organization responsible for implementing the Child Care Resource and Referral System, publishes a quarterly catalog for providers outlining current professional development opportunities. The summer catalog is currently available. Please visit the OSSI website to download a copy of the most current catalog. Reminder, all providers must participate in training on the 12 indicators for health and safety by September 2017. OSSI has just funded a one-year subscription for all providers for Quorum, the online professional development tool sponsored by Kaplan. Sign up today. Many of your trainings to meet the need for the 12 indicators for health and safety are included on the online portal. Early Childhood Share DC is an online sharing platform for providers designed to help providers in sharing up-to-date knowledge and resources. Over 1,000 classroom and administration resources plus vendor discounts are available on the site. To access the site, please visit www.ecsharedc.org. Establish a profile and a team member from EC Share DC will contact you to complete registration. You will need your center license on hand to register. Quality facilitators will continue to support Capital Quality participants in addressing Capital Quality's 10 indicators on the Continuous Quality Improvement Plan. Previous Community of Practice videos are currently available on the OSSI website, as well as other Capital Quality information. August Community of Practice will focus on formal and informal assessments. It will be held Friday, August 25th, and Saturday, August 26th, from 1 to 3 p.m. All videos of the sessions will be posted on the OSSI webpage. We are always available. Please follow us on Twitter and Facebook. Visit the OSSI website for up-to-date information. Also, please feel free to contact Catherine Kagera, Rashida Brown, or Pillow Parker for questions related to Capital Quality.